Creative Compiler, your destination for turning creative ideas into reality. If you are a curious mind who loves to tech, innovation, and learning how to build extraordinary projects, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will introduce you to CarInsight, a project that blends creativity with technology to give you a professional grade car marketplace website. We will explore the purpose and goals behind this project, what makes the MERN Stack special, how we design this platform feature by the features, where to find raw car data, step-by-step requirements to get started, how we implemented mobile OTP login with Twilio, running the project locally and deploying it for the world to see. CarInsight is more than just a website, it is learning experience and a powerful tool for aspiring developers. Over the next 30 minutes, we will break down the project into digestible steps. If you are just starting out in web development, this video will act as your roadmap. We will not only show you the practice aspect but also dive deep into the why behind our choices, why the MERN Stack is deal, why Twilio simplifies OTP authentication, and why deployments is critical for any web app. Let's move to other. As we landed on the home page, you will notice the slick and initiative design that prioritize users' experience. At the top, we have the navigation bar, which include drop-down menu for categories like new car, used car, new review and services. Each drop-down is packed with features such as brand filters, car review, experts video, and car service, all designed to provide users with a one-stop solution for their automobile needs. Let's explore one of these drop-down. New car inside you will find option to filter by budget brand, making it easier than ever for users to narrow down their search. For those exploring used car, we have implemented similar feature but with an added emphasis on affordable and condition. You can easily search by location, price range, and even a specific car model, catering to buyers looking for great deals in the second-hand market. The search bar at the center of the homepage is another standout feature designed to quickly guide a user to their dream car with options for new and used vehicle. This is more than just a design, a careful thought out tool but for efficiency and users convenience. As we go further, let's log in to our website and see more other features that how to sell my car, how to provide my details on the website. Now as you can see an interface here, I will register my car number as according to the correct format. Now here I am writing like for an example I am typing DL03 CW1000. Now I am clicking on sell my car. Now as you can see the new option is open, select your car brand. Now I will choose according to my car brand name. So as you can see all the logos it is coming from the backend. We will learn more in the next video. As you can see now I will select my car year. Now as moving further the car model names are suggested. Now as I'm searching, I'm testing my website. Okay, here as you can see the all list of your car model. I'm selecting one. Now as the ownership, there is a lots of ownership. Now how much you drive your car. Now the next, which city your city name must be. So yeah, here I am giving my city like Mumbai. So yeah, then now I am writing my selling price of my used car. It is maybe different for every user. Let's example, we will take 3 lakhs rupees, or not 3, 3.5. Okay, now I will upload a demo photo for my car. So yeah, here I uploaded the car photo. Okay, now I am clicking on upload photo. As you can see, our car is listed to sell. So yeah, it is a quick demo. So in the next video we will continue it by the implementation. As you can see, the CarInsight whole interface, we will make and implement each and every drop downs, every user interface and user profiles, all this from the scratch. So join us and wait for and stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, the extra features as I am here mentioned, and all the drop downs, have a look at this. Now next, deployment is a critical step in any web development project. It allows your website or application to be accessible to users worldwide, make collaboration easy, and ensure your work is live and testable on various platforms. In short, deployment transform your local project into a global accessible product. For my CarInsight product, I already deployed the website to ensure seamless user experience. The process involved rendering the application from product tools like React Build Script, the front-end service like Netlify Vertical, and all. Here I am showing you the render website which is I used mostly for the development part. Render is a modern cloud hosting solution designed for developers to easily deploy their web application, websites, APIs. It combines the power of traditional cloud platform with this simplicity. Let's move. Next, Netlify. Netlify is a cutting-edge platform designed specifically for developers who want to deploy modern web applications quickly and efficiently. Think of it as the ultimate toolkit for front-end developer, providing everything you need to build, deploy, and scale dynamic website, static sites, and single-page application. In the world of web development, where speed, reliability, and ease of use are key, Netlify stands out as one of the most versatile tools for hosting and managing web projects. Why use Netlify? Simplified deployment. Netlify allows you to deploy your project directly from a Git repository like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Just push your code to the main branch, and Netlify takes care of the build process and hosting. No need to worry about FTP server or manual uploads. Modern workflow, Netlify is optimizing for modern Jamstack architecture, JavaScript API and markup. This makes it perfect for static sites built with frameworks like React, Angular or plain HTML, CSS. It handles pre-rendering static assets, ensuring faster load times, better performance. More built-in features: custom domain management, free SSL certificate, automatically adds HTTPS to your website for security and trustworthy, serverless function, performance optimization with global content delivery CDN, content delivery network. Netlify cost effective. Netlify offers a free tier which is perfect for a student, personal project or a small businessman. It includes features like continuous deployment, form handling and identifying authentication. Why is Netlify popular in the developer community? Speed and simplicity. Deploying a website takes more seconds. Drag and drop your site folder onto the Netlify interface or connect to your repository. Support for CI/CD. Netlify support continuous integration, continuous deployment. Third, build for teams. Collaborating on a project. Netlify team features make it easy to manage role, permission, and workflow. Fourth, extensive plugin ecosystem. Plugin for analytics, performance monitoring, and more can be added to enhance your project without additional coding. Netlify is the perfect choice when you are building static or single page application using framework like React, Angular. You want to focus on front-end development without worrying about managing servers, and also you are deploying personal project portfolios or blog quickly and securely. Fourth, you need a reliable platform for testing and hosting modern web apps. Also, Netlify has revolutionized the way developers approach deployment and its user-friendly interface. Powerful features and free trial make it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to host website efficiently. Whether you are a student deploying your first project, a freelancing showcasing a portfolio, or a team managing a professional grade app, Netlify has something for everyone. So, if you have not tried Netlify yet, give it a shot. It is simply fast and powerful, making it one of the best platforms out there for modern web development. Would you like me to add a demo of deploying a project on Netlify to extend this script? Let me know. As my CarInsight project is also deployed on the Netlify website as I shown on my screen. As my personal experience, it is very smooth for the beginners that how to deploy their project easily. What is Twilio and how does it help in building communication features for application? Let's break down it. Twilio is a cloud-based communication platform that allows developers to integrate SMS, voice, video, and even WhatsApp messaging into their application through simple APIs. One a Twilio unique offering is the ability to buy a virtual phone number. This number can be purchased for various purposes like sending texts or making call and valuable for different region world. Once you have purchased a Twilio number, you will also get a unique account SID ID and authentication token. Next video I will show you how to buy a number and your account SID for sending message. MERN Stack is a popular technology stack for building modern web application. It consists of four powerful tools: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js. MongoDB, a NoSQL database for storing data into a flexible JSON-like format. Express.js, a lightweight web application framework for creating robust backend APIs. React.js, a JavaScript library used to build dynamic and interactive user interface. Node.js, a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side. This two worlds seamless together, making it easier to develop full stack application where JavaScript used throughout. For example, you can use React for the front end, Express and Node for the back end. Before jumping into coding and implementation, it is essential to lay a strong foundation. Let's talk about setting up your project requirement for success. First, understanding the project scope. Every successful project begins with a clear understanding of its purpose. For example, if you are creating a car marketplace like CarInsight, ask yourself what features should the platform have. Example, car listening and all. Second, who is the target audience? Car buyer, seller, or dealers? Then, what problems are you solving? By defining your goals, you set a clear direction for your development process. Second, listening the required technology. For a MERN Stack project, here what you need: MongoDB, database for storing data. Second, Express.js, backend framework to create APIs. React.js for designing dynamic user interface like dropdown and search filters. Node.js to run JavaScript on the backend and connect all layers. Tools to install: Git for version control, code editor, Visual Code is a popular choice. Node.js and npm, install this for managing package. MongoDB Compass for visualizing your database. Now setting up your development environment. To kick off the project, follow these steps. Install Node.js, then download and install Node.js from the website. Then set up MongoDB. Use MongoDB Atlas for a cloud database or install MongoDB locally from mongodb.com. Then initialize your project. Open your terminal, create a project folder, then make a directory as a name CarInsight, then change your directory, then write the command npm init -y, as you also get this from the website. Then install essential package that you want like React DOM. Organize your file. We will all discuss this file structure in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Now fourth, collecting and preparing raw data. I will talk about raw data after a few minutes. Design and UI planning. Before coding and sketch, the layout of your platform includes a header with the drop down for new car, used car, filter like by budget, by brand, login OTP, functionality for user authentication. Use tool like Figma for UI and UX design. Planning API endpoint. Define backend routes for tasking like the fetching, car listening, user authentication, managing search filters. Let If you want a video on the cat post API, JSON data, how to do it from the scratch for the beginners. Preparation is the key to smooth project execution. With a clear plan, the right tools, and well structured data, your project will be much easier to build, debug, and scale. Now that we have covered the setup, let's move on the exciting part. But I will I will discuss more about in depth in next video, all the file structure, all the commands to run. Then next, testing tool and version control. Version control with Git. Use Git to track your project progress and push your code to remote repository like GitHub, GitLab for collaboration and backup. Testing your setup, verify the MongoDB is running, then test your Node.js servers by creating a simple route in. And third, use tools for better debugging. Install Postman or Thunder client to test your APIs. Use browser developer tools to debug your React frontend. As my personal experience, I will suggest you more Postman as it is easy to run and the interface is very easy and simpler to the beginners, to the beginning students in programming. Now let us talk about where you can get raw data for your CarInsight project. This is crucial as you will need for car details like model, specification, pricing and more. Whether you are building a simple project or a full-fledged marketplace, here are some options. First, Car Query API, a simple yet powerful tool to access a wide range of vehicle specification. You can get details information about different car models, including make, year, engine type, and more. And second, I will suggest Open Data Platform. It is a website like government database or community driven open data platform provided free access to car related data, often include environmental, regulatory or sales information Then third, I will suggest web scraping. If you cannot find exactly what you need, you can scrap data from car dealer website. And I will suggest dealer APIs and marketplace. And the fifth, I will suggest manufacturer websites for most accurate result. Now let's move on to one of the most exciting aspect of your project, designing your logo. A logo is not just a graphic, it is the face of your brand representing your website identity. Here is how you can create one for CarInsight or any other for your website. First, free logo design tool. You did not have to be a graphic designer to create a professional look logo. Websites like Canva, H4 by Shopify and Looka offer easy to use logo design tool. Second, keep it simple and memorable. Think about the core of your platform, whether it is the tech behind it or the other, and also reflect the essentials of your website. Then fourth, fine tuning and exporting. Once you have finalized the design, make sure to export it in the different format like PNG, SVG. So go ahead and create it.